now that I'm older and I've put in all the work, it feels like when you're starting over again, you're thinking to yourself, I don't want to start over again. I've done paid my dues. Why do I got to pay my dues again? But that's life, y'all. And you can't be discouraged if that's happening to you. If you're in a position right now where, pre-COVID, you're bringing in $100 grand a year and you're freaking rocking, you're walking around pointing at people, getting down, and you're freaking on fire. Pre-COVID, and now COVID hit, and now we're getting into post-COVID, and we're trying to rebuild ourselves, and we don't got that fire we used to have. We don't got that excitement. The money's not coming in. You can't stay discouraged, though, people. You got to keep working. You got to keep trusting. Stay faithful. Stay consistent. That's it. Stay faithful. Stay consistent.